Welcome to Inset Data Bytes. Data Bytes is a weekly newsletter that brings to you best handpicked solutions and stories from all across the world in the field of data science, ML, and AI. In this week's edition of Data Bytes, here are our top 5 stories. Make sure to check out the links in description so that you get the full scope of every feature. Welcome to 16 July 2020 edition of Data Bytes video newsletter. The first story that we have for you is the top 10 data science and AI books for 2020 that you should read. This is an assorted list from the various fields in data science, which includes Python, R, Stats, and ML. So this article introduces you to the various books that you should add to your reading list. For both beginner and intermediate levels, their authors and the reviews of these books that will help you get started on this list. The second story that we have for you is top FAQs from machine learning newbies. Now, machine learning introduces you to systems that learn and improve by themselves. This article covers your basic introduction to machine learning, basic intro to algorithms used in machine learning, supervised and unsupervised learning, the difference between important terms that are usually asked in the first or the second round of your data science or machine learning interviews, and the different projects that you can undertake if you are learning machine learning. The third story that we have for you is Knowing the World of Real Data Scientists. So this is a list of different interviews, videos, and podcasts that you can add to your content list and that you should go through regularly to keep yourself updated and relevant in the field of data science. The interview section introduces you to various platforms that often feature interview questions from data science, ML, statistics based interviews. The video section of the story that takes you through introduction, tutorial videos, and review videos of the different tools and techniques that are used in data science. The third section and the last section is podcast. The podcast section introduces you to different data science podcasts that often invite guest speakers from all across the world and interview them on their podcast show. So this is a very important story for you as well. The fourth story that we have for you is 4 types of roles in machine learning for 2020. The 4 types of roles that we discuss in this article are machine learning engineer, data scientist, machine learning scientist, and machine learning researchers. So if one of these roles is what you're aiming for when it comes to a career in machine learning, then this article is super important for you. This article will tell you about the roles and responsibilities of any one of these job roles, the tools and skills that you should know to attempt an interview or a job opening that is under these job roles. And also you can, after reading this article, you can make sure if you have the aptitude to deliver on the expectations of these different roles. Our fifth story for this week is Data Science and Non-Programmers Perspective with Arijit Chakrabarti. It's an Inset success story and it discusses the journey of a non-programmer and how he transitioned into a full-time data scientist role. So Arijit is a GCD student with a background in English literature and advertising, and he transitioned into a technical role of that of a data scientist. His journey started with his first interaction with Power BI and how he created 3 different tools for his organization at the time. And that's how he got interested in this field. So if you have any hesitation when it comes to programming, or if you think that's a high obstacle for you, just go through this interview and you would be reassured that a good data scientist can also be a non-programmer. These were the stories that we had for you this week. We will be back next week with more such stories, and stay tuned for more.